everybody, just a quick video. I wanted to let everybody know today is free shipping day. It is June 24th, 2021. And don't forget to place your order if you're going to do any orders. And hey, while I'm with you, I might as well show you some of the cards that some of my demonstrator group has done that are really nice. I'll just kind of flip through them. And just all the ideas from our big community. We take in orphan demonstrators, and really we go over social media and how to do YouTube and Pinterest and Facebook and all those other things that are really important in today's society. So anyway, don't forget today is free shipping day. And if you want to place an order with me, it's noreenbrungart@stampin.net. And I'll put that on the bottom here so you can see the address. But here's some of my cards. If you haven't looked at any of my videos lately, please like and subscribe. And don't forget, free shipping day. Don't forget. So that'll do it for me. Bye.